Former Nongkrem MLA and MDC Lambor Malnyang on Saturday inaugurated 2 roads and a public gathering space at Rangbibi, Pomlakrai Parish ahead of its formal opening. The development works amounting to Rs 2.10 crore were facilitated with support from Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and the Public Works Department under Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong. The projects include a road leading to the church, another connecting to the convent area for the sisters, and a designated public space for community gatherings. The program was attended by Malayam MLA Ronnie V. Lingdo, Reverend Father Tobias Karangapkanta, Reverend Father Genesimus Nongneng, Shnong elders and residents. The inauguration has brought a sense of enthusiasm among the faithful as the Rangbibi Pomlakrai Parish is set to be formally opened on the 22nd of March 2026. The inauguration brought a sense of enthusiasm among the faithful of the Rangbibi Pomlakrai Parish. During the program, Malnyang indicated that he continues to remain engaged in public service in a voluntary capacity despite no longer holding elected office. Meanwhile, the development has also drawn attention in political circles as it is usually the sitting MLA who undertakes such inaugurations within a constituency. In Nongkrem, however, recent instances have seen leaders from outside the current elected setup actively associated with developmental activities. This has led to general speculation on the ground, with some questioning whether the increased visibility of leaders linked to the ruling National People's Party (NPP) signals a growing political interest in the constituency. Others have also pointed out to the relatively low local visibility of sitting MLA Aden M. Basayomoy, who is currently serving as the president of the Voice of the People Party or VPP. While no official statements have been made, such developments have contributed to a growing buzz around Nongkrem, with discussions centering on shifting political dynamics and an increased activity ahead of future electoral contests.
Namar ngaju kan mau ba ngaju yo ibun ki bong ba atrai yerap yang bagi kam kin ba lata superta atrai pithia pat ajing thia hayeng hato trai soma ngam trai bun sangap ne bun shaskor lo superta piang atrai yerap yang kamut bat ki kiti ki chat ki ba pinki pinsai ba pinwa igilat kinti hangta pinong atrai yerap yang ata kawan durkan Bat ngaru haju kapor. Habang awan siya ni hagito gibna giblalin no. Bat nga ibnot kalapat mamanta mga bibaroni ni meyo syu banyara mokhiyo banyati ito kakando bangiti makane. Ang nila hawra ka JCB baroni. Dan nga sutnat habang yui kani gajaka kalongkum ni ngidap do jing comment ko rang so bumbangangale igayeng lajong. Hakani kapor ngalong tangkum ubreo ubatray manso ha. Ka ikhtiar kabaklan kabukhulom ubang jubat ngamsim la yosyo banbat. Kajing siyo nagasorkar kumayo tulop lang jing baroni nga ngam yosyo. Henry kamansim pat kamkhat. Kamansim kamtulat. Ngatur si kamat banlet banwan bansngap bansyaskor kaya kama iparlok kipansngo namar gani ketika kam kujong bulay namar yangi lahikay ba akan mau bisnang ipasyo ang poisyo ni kabanta jong ni politics yung tangtoy nga kwaban ong ladap hitray hok yakakam jong ipadba ngan pelat da kabasuk But habab hi late bantray ka kam jong ipadpa wat numpay palang baro kidai kibasya niya how try kan rat ba pili ban le bit ikai ka bahatam la kanu ka balang kawan ban o chipi sim ba ka balang ka jupi patay na mga katang layo gijing hikay ibapura ba mga urong banwan banjuno banpet ya kay gajing don kam ka bakarki ban pelong ya katagasi ka balasay banong kasi ka baku puping ngitur klam tachu badmenta kalong kumne kumbapiui kamday kabor jonga jing baroni anday kaday baro kaktian kaong kajing yatli kalong kabor kawamot kadon kajing yatray lang kaliang hapliang jungi bat jungpi lata mapi pimpen snow matray kani ka program kanamlong kumne day lamba jong kajing pensno ka jungpi bapidon kajing syanya bapidon kada kajing songskam kajing mot kajing perhat pikot so bahay nga banyadan lang ngay aingo you try bahabang alit bankerpat human tree rang ba namta kajing kam nga tuway siya pangalit ngong unsngap unsyaskor na markalong kam kabakerki ngay habang isyang bu menteri rang ba do masyusay kakot ngong sobha yarap sitam lam yak ni kakam padu approve bat kalong kumne kumbakalong menta ngemla kan depan pang gijing ai khlei kabakarpang human tree rang ba do jungi udon kabensim jong kajing yaisha kabensim kaba usya skor kabensim kaba ukloy ban kene jala kikti ban yarap